express the same things, but with different words. We acknowledge the same curve, and those might have hurt. It's like the last line you draw to remind a past time, a fast-minded feeling of freedom, please to be recognized. And I can hear your doctors calling from here to say, kill bias, independency, and off kill the seal, cause he on himself is stealthy mass appeal. Where's my muse? Where's my muse? It feels like every word slipping through my mind has been used. Staggering like the old man feeding a third. With my last I reflecting at the things that I burned. A windowless frame in a transparent room, filling up cracks with plastic assumes. Shape shift, nuance, venue. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Wreck up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend.